Letter H. It's pretty easy. 3 sticks for your uppercase H, always starting at the top and go down. We always do the vertical lines first. Lastly, the horizontal starting on the left, letter H. Lowercase is very similar to our letter N, except we start off higher, straight down again, lift, and go back up around and stop just like the N. Pretty easy. Things that start with the sound of H. H is a sound. Don't put an at the end. It's just the breath. So a hat, hat, a heart, hippo, hen, horse, helmet. Ooh, if I can get it unattached. My helmet and my helicopter were attached. Helicopter, helmet, house. But where you can see it, house. And then I have several on paper here. I'm going to lift them. They make a lot of noise. Okay, let's try this. So I have a hand. Hans from Frozen. See him there? Hans. He starts with the uppercase H. A hare. Now be very careful. It's not a rabbit. It is not a bunny. When we're doing the letter H, it is a hare. Hedgehog. Everybody's favorite superhero, Hulk. A hog. Oops, put that where you guys can see it. A hamster. Hot Wheels cars. And that's it. So I'm going to take them away one by one and go through them again. And again, they are the sound. Hot Wheels, hamster, hog, Hulk, hedgehog, hare, Hans, hand, house, hippo, hen, helmet, heart, helicopter, and horse. And I'm going to leave hat there for a minute because if you're doing your tracing, our key word is going to be hat. So if you needed to, you could put out your H in front of you, find some sort of a bumpy board, and it's H, hat, and we do it 3 times. H, hat, H, hat, and again, make sure you're using 2 fingers and the pads of your fingers. So that is our letter H.